Hi friends! I'm at my friend Leon's place again because we'll be working on his Civic and Leon's going to repaint it. Hi Leon!
Hi!
Hi! Alright, and in the meantime, Leon hates cars. No, this is your hobby.
No.
Well, in the meantime, I'm going to be working on this B18 that's going to be swapped into this car because I'm going to replace the valve stem seals and I'm going to do that without removing the cylinder head, so I'm hoping I can do that, but I'm sure. And this car is turning out super sick, I think. Are you happy that after repainting the 850 are in the backyard you're now repainting another car?
I'm very happy with that, yes.
Yes.
I want to die.
Yeah, but this is turning out way better, I think. That's
Yes,
cool.
much more experience.
And a lot of
Not at all.
Bondo and primer and stuff. Yes, that's your hobby.
No, it's not.
We hate cars.
We hate cars. Fuck this shit. See?
Okay, so these camshafts are extremely stuck and I can't remember they were this stuck on my Honda engine, but I guess we're super lucky. Are you having a good time?
I'm not having a good time. I hate cars.
Alright, got the camshafts out, so now we can get to the valves, something like this. And in the meantime, Leon is unboxing his new vacuum cleaner.
Yay, because life sucks, so now we can suck even more.
Yes. Well, it's handy because you can put the battery of your tools in there, right?
Yes, that should be the case.
And then you can easily vacuum cars and stuff. Break it. Unboxing. Oh, it's pretty big still.
That's what she said.
Well, nice. We saw this on YouTube yesterday and then immediately ordered it. Now I am gonna go and remove the rocker arms too. And to do that I'm first going to get these covers off. Leon to the rescue.
What is loose?
I can't loosen it. You're stronger than me. Loosen it.
Can you hold the block?
Leon.
Can you hold the
Okay,
block?
okay, wait.
Before I tip it over.
Please don't.
En wat zit hem vast op? Lukt allemaal gewoon op. Misschien moet ik er ook een verlengstukje op zetten. Mother.
Yeah, that's stuck. Oh. Ooh! It looks like these shafts are locked. I hope you can see it, but with these pins. So I think I gotta pull those out and then I can remove them. Because as you can see, they go through there. I hope you can see it. I don't think it's even in focus, but yes. And in the meantime, Leon's putting primer on his car. That looks so professional. Yeah, but it looks professional. Especially the professional gear you're wearing. And there's the end result of the primer. I think that looks pretty sick. And now all you have left to do is wet sand it before color, right?
Yeah, probably. Hopefully.
Yeah, I think it looks nice now. You don't see any dents or anything. You did a great job.
We'll see that later.
Normally, when I replace valve stem seals, I remove the cylinder head and then use a big clamp to clamp in those springs and then press back the valve. But today we don't want to remove the cylinder head. So what I'm going to do is remove the spark plugs, and then I'm going to install the compressor on here to keep some pressure to push the valves back, so I can remove all of this without the valve dropping into the cylinder. So I'm removing the spark plugs and then we can get started finally. Now luckily these spark plugs are in here very loosely because Leon had already removed them to check whether the valves fully close. Because if they don't fully close, you can't keep pressure inside of the cylinder because it will just leak through the valve. But these all seem to be perfect, so otherwise we would have had to remove the cylinder head, but now we don't, hopefully. As you can see, I've now removed the springs and the collets. And now we can reach, please focus, yes, the valve stem seals that are right there. And because we connected the compressor, the valves just stay in place. So I'm really happy about that. So let's pull these old seals out and then install the new ones. By the way, we're using original Honda seals that you can't even see, yes, because there are different seals from the inlet and the exhaust. So when you buy aftermarket, it's usually just a single set, but we're using original ones. So if you're doing this, make sure that you look if you're installing the exhaust on the exhaust side and vice versa, because I fucked that up once on my CRX and then I had to redo it all over. So yeah, just take a look before you install them. Okay, these valve stem seals are done, but before I continue with the other one, I'm going to replace this LMA2 because Leon got some upgraded ones that he wants to get installed, so I'm going to do that right away before I forget. Well, I think you understand what I'm doing, so let's continue and do the rest. got all of the valve stem seals and LMAs installed, which means I can now go and reinstall all of the other remaining parts. That's all nice and done, and unfortunately my camera overheated again because it's 30 degrees here, but this is all nice and done. And that's done, and Leon has started bondoing and sanding again because he's never happy with his work because he's a complainer. But
That's true though.
that's nice.
Yeah.
And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed a day with Leon again, even though Leon was doing his own thing, but I enjoyed spending time together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!